If you want to allow Chrome camera access, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and quick way. Whether your camera is not working on a website, or you just want to make sure Chrome can ask for permission properly, this guide will help you fix it fast. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu. From the list, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome settings page. On the left side menu, click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of important browser permissions and website access settings. Next, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage permissions for things like camera, microphone, location, notifications, and more. After that, scroll down until you find the Permissions section. Under Permissions, click Camera. On the Camera settings page, you'll see the option that controls whether websites can request camera access. Make sure the toggle for sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. When this is enabled, websites will be able to request permission instead of being blocked automatically. If you also want to check your default camera, make sure the correct camera is selected in the drop-down list if one appears. That can help if your computer has more than one camera connected. Once you've turned on camera access, go back to the website you want to use and refresh the page. The site should now be able to ask for camera permission. When Chrome shows the prompt, click Allow to grant access. If the camera still does not work, double-check that the site is not blocked in the camera permissions list and that your device camera is not being used by another app. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Chrome can also help. And that's it. You've now allowed Chrome camera access in just a few steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.